Welcome to Dissemity for disseminating research with clarity. To access this homepage, go to dissemity.com. That will bring you to some information that will help you to understand what to expect within the software. Once you have read through the homepage, go to Log In. Once you have logged in with your credentials, you can access the dashboard. The dashboard has multiple panels that you should be acquainted with before you continue on in Dissemity. The first panel will provide you an overview of Dissemity when you first enter. After that, it will show you the location where you last left off when you were working on Dissemity. For me, I started with the introductions video, and now it is telling me where I can go to continue. Also, upon first entry, you will be asked to enter your name so that Dissemity knows who you are and can address you appropriately. And then you should enter disciplines. You should choose up to 3 disciplines that are representative of your field. This way, Dissemity can provide you disciplinary-specific feedback. Scrolling down further, you will see a Dissemity ad code. If you join a course that is specific to your university or your program, your teacher or professor will have a code for you. You would enter it here. As a default, you will have access to the Dissemity standard coursework. Here, you will have 4 modules that you can complete to learn about writing peer-reviewed journal articles. As you complete the different tasks, you will be seeing different highlighting that will enable you to understand your progress. Once you see all dark blue, that means you've completed all the tasks. To understand what the tasks are, you can go to each of these circles. For example, this one says, go to the Learn module to watch videos, take notes, and complete quizzes. The Learn module, along with 4 other modules, can be found here in the left side menu. To access them, you can click on the Dissemity logo. A specific writing microcredential. This microcredential can provide evidence of your completion of this training, which can be used to represent evidence of your mentorship abilities so that you can help future researchers. It's very helpful to put on your CV or share on your LinkedIn profile.